Single pa rin. I've always been single.
Diretsuhin mo na.
Oo, yung totoo. Ano yan? Yung totoo. Kayo ba ni Case?
But to be honest, Tito.
To be honest. Go.
Well, we had something special and we were special friends, pero alam niyo yun, parang iba rin kasi and siguro we tried rin to take it to the next level, pero madaming, well, first of all, parang siguro yung pinakamalaking nangyari is yung distance. So ngayon,
Oo, pero hindi pa naman ano yun wala pang tuldok yun, Pao. Pwede pang matuloy. Hindi naman sarado na yung mga pinto or ano.
siguro kahit saan naman dito, parang never mo naman pwedeng tuldukan.
Okay, so as of now, single ka.
Single.
Okay. Ay, last na kay Bea. Bea, ano naman